Hello, it's your guide, Dennis, and let me tell you, I am so fired up for this journey with you. We're diving deep into a topic near and dear to my heart, creating your best year yet. And one of the most powerful tools I've discovered along the way? Affirmations, baby. These simple yet mighty statements can literally rewire your brain for success, happiness, and all the juicy goodness life has to offer. That's why I'm so excited to share my 12-month affirmation challenge with you. Each month, we'll focus on a different theme, using targeted affirmations to unlock your potential, step into your power, and create a year that's bursting with joy, abundance, and growth. This is your year to unlock growth, joy, and transformation 1 month at a time. Happy New Year, beautiful souls. We're kicking things off with a bang, embracing the energy of new beginnings and igniting that unshakable self-belief within you. January is all about fresh starts, wiping the slate clean, and setting the stage for an epic year ahead. This month, our affirmations are going to help you tap into that limitless potential that resides within you. Repeat after me, I am worthy of my dreams. Say it like you mean it. I am capable of achieving anything I set my mind to. Feel that surge of power coursing through you? That's the magic of affirmations at work. Every morning, look yourself in the mirror, really look into your own eyes, and repeat these affirmations with conviction. Write them down, stick them on your fridge, make them your phone wallpaper, let them seep into every fiber of your being. Happy February, lovebirds! This month we're turning up the heat and diving deep into the juicy realm of love and connection. Get ready to open your heart, cultivate deeper relationships, and shower yourself with the most radical self-love you've ever experienced. We're talking about the kind of love that sets your soul on fire. The kind that radiates from within and spills over into every area of your life. This month's affirmations will help you attract loving relationships, deepen your connection with yourself, and experience the world through a lens of love and compassion. Repeat after me, I am worthy of love and belonging. Feel that warmth spread through your chest? That's the power of self-love, baby. I attract healthy, loving relationships into my life. Hello, March. This month we're ditching those winter blues and stepping into our power with fiery energy and unstoppable motivation. This month's affirmations are going to be your secret weapon, fueling your passions and propelling you forward with unstoppable force. Repeat after me, I am filled with boundless energy and enthusiasm. Feel that surge of vitality coursing through you? Yeah, that's the good stuff. I am motivated and inspired to take action towards my dreams. Visualize yourself crushing those goals with unwavering determination. Happy April, Gratitude Gang. This month, we're shifting our focus to the incredible abundance that surrounds us. Get ready to open your heart, appreciate the little things, and cultivate a deep sense of gratitude for all the blessings in your life. We're talking about that warm, fuzzy feeling of appreciation that fills you from the inside out. This month's affirmations will help you tap into the power of gratitude, attracting even more abundance and joy into your life. Repeat after me, I am grateful for all the good in my life. Feel that surge of joy and contentment washing over you. That's the magic of gratitude at work. I am surrounded by abundance and blessings. Visualize all the amazing things you have to be thankful for. Happy May, growth seekers! This month we're embracing the transformative power of learning and stepping into the unknown with open hearts and curious minds. Get ready to expand your horizons, challenge your limits, and unlock new levels of knowledge and personal growth. We're talking about that exhilarating feeling of pushing past your comfort zone and embracing the journey of becoming the best version of yourself. This month's affirmations will help you cultivate a growth mindset, embrace challenges as opportunities, and approach learning with excitement and enthusiasm. Repeat after me, I am a lifelong learner, always evolving and growing. Feel that sense of empowerment surging through you? That's the beauty of embracing your potential. I welcome new challenges as opportunities for growth and expansion. Visualize yourself conquering obstacles with grace and resilience. Hello, June, you joyful thing you. This month, we're ditching the seriousness and embracing our inner child with open arms and playful hearts. Get ready to rediscover the magic of joy, infuse your life with laughter, and reconnect with the simple pleasures that make life so damn delicious. We're talking about that childlike wonder that makes you want to dance like nobody's watching and sing at the top of your lungs. This month's affirmations will help you tap into your playful side, attract more joy into your everyday experiences, and embrace the lightness and fun that life has to offer. Repeat after me, I choose joy. I welcome laughter and playfulness into my life. Feel that surge of happiness bubbling up inside you? That's the power of play, my friends. I am surrounded by joy, laughter, and lighthearted fun. Happy July, my confident warriors. This month we're stepping into our power, embracing our inner strength and radiating confidence like nobody's business. Get ready to silence those inner critics, embrace your unique awesomeness, and show the world what you're truly made of. We're talking about that unshakable belief in yourself, that inner knowing that you are capable, worthy, and powerful beyond measure. This month's affirmations will help you cultivate unwavering self-confidence, overcome self-doubt, and step into the world with your head held high. Repeat after me, I am strong, confident, and capable. Feel that surge of power coursing through your veins? That's your inner badass awakening. I believe in myself and my ability to achieve anything I set my mind to. Hello, August, our month of blissful rest and rejuvenation. We've been working hard, achieving goals, and stepping into our power. So this month is all about hitting the pause button, recharging those batteries, and giving ourselves the gift of self-care. We're talking about prioritizing your well-being, indulging in activities that nourish your soul, and giving yourself permission to simply be. This month's affirmations will help you cultivate a deeper connection with yourself, prioritize self-care, and embrace the power of rest and renewal. Repeat after me, I prioritize my well-being and make time for rest and rejuvenation. Feel that wave of relaxation washing over you. Your mind, body, and spirit deserve this. I am worthy of self-care and I give myself permission to recharge and renew. Visualize yourself indulging in activities that bring you joy and peace. Happy September, my focused friends. As summer winds down and we ease back into our routines, this month is all about sharpening our focus, boosting our productivity, and achieving our goals with laser-like precision. We're talking about that laser focus that helps you cut through distractions, maximize your efficiency, and make significant progress towards your dreams. This month's affirmations will help you tap into your inner productivity powerhouse, stay motivated, and achieve your goals with ease and grace. Repeat after me, I am focused, determined, and unstoppable in achieving my goals. Feel that surge of motivation coursing through you? That's the power of clarity and intention. I'm a master of my time and energy, effortlessly accomplishing all that I set out to do. Visualize yourself gliding through your to-do list with ease and efficiency. Happy October, my creative geniuses. This month we're tapping into our inner artists and unleashing our innovative spirits. Embrace new perspectives and let inspiration flow effortlessly. Unlock your creative potential and approach challenges with curiosity. I am a creative powerhouse brimming with innovative ideas. Happy November, my compassionate souls. This month, we're spreading love, cultivating kindness, and embracing the transformative power of giving back. Get ready to open your hearts, lend a helping hand, and make a difference in the world, one act of kindness at a time. We're talking about that warm, fuzzy feeling you get when you make someone else's day a little brighter. This month's affirmations will help you cultivate a spirit of generosity, embrace compassion, and experience the profound joy that comes from making a positive impact on the world around you. Repeat after me, I am a beacon of kindness and compassion, radiating love and generosity wherever I go. Feel that warmth spreading through your heart. That's the power of human connection at its finest. I am grateful for the opportunity to give back and make a difference in the world. Happy December, my grateful hearts. Reflect on your journey, celebrate growth, and cultivate gratitude for all the blessings in your life. Acknowledge how far you've come and appreciate the lessons learned. Embrace the new year with a heart overflowing with gratitude. I'm grateful for all experiences that shape me. Feel that warmth of gratitude washing over you. That's the power of acknowledging your growth. Release the past with love and embrace the future with excitement. Wow, can you believe it? We just journeyed through an entire year of transformation together. Remember those affirmations? They're not just pretty words, my friends. They're powerful seeds of intention that, when nurtured with consistency and belief, can blossom into the most extraordinary reality. I'm so excited to see all the incredible things you create in the coming year. Now let's make this the year of transformation together. Big hugs and high fives all around.
Enjoyed this video? Buy me a coffee. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Now available on Amazon.com. Unlock the transformative power of positive affirmations with this essential guide by certified personal development coach and motivational speaker, Dennis of DennisMotivates.com. In Affirm Your Greatness, you'll discover the science behind affirmations and learn how to craft personalized affirmations that resonate with your unique journey. Get your copy today. Find the link in the description. Thanks.